Title: The Walls We Cannot See. They told us the internet was a playground, a place where distance differs, where voices travel faster than light. But what they doesn't tell us is that every click is a footprint, every share is a fingerprint, and every secret is just 1 week password away from become a headline. Have you ever wondered who's watching you when you scroll? Who's listening you when your mic is on mute? Who holds the keys to the locks you never built? Privacy dead is just bleeding in the hands of those who trade is for likes, for convenience, for the illusion of connection. He give away pieces of ourselves every day. Our names, our birthdays, our mother's middle name, in a question called security. But what happens when security becomes a joke? When passwords are 1, 2, 3, 4 and trust is just a checkbox we never read. They break in, they steal faces, empty wallets, and whisper lies into headlines that run lives. So I ask you, what's worth more, convenience or control? Well, you guard your gates or leave them wide open with a maybe tomorrow side. Because hackers don't wait, they don't sleep, they don't care, they prey on careless, the lazy, the I'll update it later generation. But it doesn't have to end this way. We can lock our doors, encrypt our words, respect the rules that protect what makes us human. Privacy is freedom, security is peace, and peace starts with you. So change the password, enable the lock, then before you click, because the walls we cannot see are the ones that keep us free. Reflection. My spoken word piece raises awareness by illustrating how small actions like weak password and careless clicks can lead to major breach of privacy and security. It encourages responsible IT practices by stressing the importance of strong passwords, data protection, and continuous online behavior. By using emotional language and vivid imagery, the piece makes the issue relatable and urgent for the audience. I believe this presentation could make others reflect on their habits and inspire them to take concrete steps toward safeguarding their information. The message is clear: privacy is not optional and security is not a convenience. It is protection for our freedom and identity.